was the problem. I didn't say that. Now, Marlon.
Hello.
Hello, Marlon. I was about to hang up on you. As soon as I
Yes,
said
Brad.
food,
It's a good thing you didn't hang up, man.
That's
Come on,
right.
man. I heard you was just talking about dinner. You understand?
I said if I call Marlon for dinner, maybe he'll answer.
Which is good. I'm so glad that you really do. I'm calling from Massachusetts.
All right, what's going on?
So that's my. I have a question.
What?
I filed an adjustment.
Yes.
I'm married to a U.S. citizen, and we filed and stuff. I just received the receipt that they gave me, and they said they're scheduling something for biometrics because I'm calling from Massachusetts. But I don't know exactly when it's going to be appearing, so I just want to know a little bit more about that.
Well, when you file your adjustment, you have to take a biometric because that's how they clear your security checks and they check who you are.
Okay.
And they, in order to get your work permit, you got to clear your security with your biometrics. The problem with everyone's having right now is that biometrics are going very, very slowly simply because of COVID. They're not having people come in mass. They're closing down. They're opening up. They're closing down. So eventually you'll be called for the biometrics, and then once that happens, things will start moving on your case.
No, I just get it like 3 weeks ago.
Oh, you took it already?
Yeah, no, I didn't took it. I just get a receipt
right.
that they sent to me.
Right, I said eventually you'll be called for that. You'll go in, it's taking a fingerprint.
Oh, okay. Because I'm a Jamaican. I've been here like 6 years, and I've been living with this woman for years.
So you have any skeletons in the closet?
No, nothing like that. Come on, man. I don't have time for that.
Then you're fine. You're in a good marriage. No skeletons. Perfect. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine then.
All right, man. Thank you, Brad.
Well, good luck.
Yes, sir. Good luck. Yeah.
All right, let's go to Jay in Orlando. Jay.
Yes, hello.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How you doing, Mr. Brad?
Good. What's going on?
Actually, I just have a question. I got married, and I went through the adjustment of status. I applied for the adjustment of status on June 1st.
Right.
And it's all good so far, but they sent me a letter right now saying that I don't have to do the biometrics because I was applying for asylum already before I got married.
Well, if you already have a biometric on file, they're not going to make you do it again.
Yes, awesome. But my problem now is actually I came in 2015, and by somewhere late in 2017, I got charged with solicitation.
What happened with the case?
And that case was solicitation, and then it ended up as a plea deal, and they gave me 6 months probation. I did 4 months and then early termination plus a class. I have to attend class.
All right, so it's either a non-offense or a crime of moral turpitude. It's one or the other. And you're allowed. And
the video offense, how it can be worked
I
in my
don't know
case.
because I don't have your disposition. So if you didn't plead guilty to anything, then you're fine. I don't know if you pled guilty. So it's either a petty offense, crime of moral turpitude, or it's nothing.
The plea deal is kind of guilty, right?
What is it?
The plea deal.
To bleed you?
Yeah.
I don't know what that to bleed you means.
Plea deal.
Plea deal. Yes, a plea deal. You pled guilty to something. Okay, but it's a minor offense, so it should not. So one minor offense should be okay. They're called petty offenses. So it sounds like you're going to.
Even though it happens within the 5 years from the admission, right?
Yes, even though it's not in the first 5 years. What's more important is make sure your wife knows about this because they're going to ask you at the interview, and they're going to.
I told my wife about it. Of course.
And if your wife goes, "What the hell are you talking about? When did this happen?" and starts slapping you in the interview, now that's a big problem. All right, so just make sure she knows. Bring the disposition, but you should be okay.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
All right.
Bye. Thanks.
All right, let's go to Brenda in the Bronx. Brenda.
Hi, Brad. How are you?
How are you?
So in one question. So in 2010, I got applied for a visa. On the visa, I put that I was married, which I wasn't. It's just because, I'm in common law. So in 2016, I got married to an American citizen, and I put in my paperwork. I did the interview already. I explained to them that at the interview. So in March, February of this year, they said they needed more evidence, which I sent it in, and then I got a receipt saying that they didn't receive any evidence. Now I'm in removal proceedings.
All right. So the evidence you submitted, I assume, was a certificate of non-impediment that you were not married anywhere in Jamaica. So, right. So if you're in removal now, you're going to have to file a new I-130 visa petition and get it approved all over again, and then bring the I-130 to the judge and let the judge adjust your status. And you're going to need to do a waiver because they're going to say there was misrepresentation in you getting a visa when you said you were married when you were single.
But I'm of court on the 31st.
So you better let's start filing an I-130 now. Are you being represented by a lawyer?
Yeah, but he didn't say anything. He just said, see you then.
No, that's not the answer. The answer is file an I-130 now, go to court and say we have an I-130 filed, not see you then. That's the wrong answer. Hold on if you need help.
Okay, so
hold on. If you need help.
Please.
All
right.
Alrighty. Not see you then. See you then isn't the recipe for disaster. All right, let's go to Saymeen in Queens. Saymeen.
Yes, Brad, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hello, Anissa. Hello, Yo-Yo. Everybody's okay?
They're okay. They're listening.
Great. Okay, I call you again just to let you know that, remember I told you that I received the receipt from the USCIS for the citizenship?
Yes.
So first they send me with the case number and they're saying go online and make an online account and blah, blah, blah. You know, easier, things like that. And then I call you, you say, no, that's it. They just send you, they accept it and everything's okay. And then after a week, they send me again another receipt. The first one does not even saying that they received the money, I mean the cash, the check or something. But this second letter is the same letter, but type of thing. The first one is a welcome. Second one is saying they cash the check, like they have the one check.
I don't understand what you're saying to me. You have a receipt that says welcome?
First one, they send me welcome with the case number and everything.
You mean a receipt notice?
Yes, and then they say go online, create an online account and things like that. So that does not.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do with immigration?
I have filed for N400.
Okay, your citizenship. Okay, so it's not welcome. Okay, so it's a receipt.
First one, they send me the letter saying receipt, the same thing, but in the paragraph in the start, letter start in the bottom saying welcome to USCIS, blah, blah, blah. And they put on the top the case number.
And what's the second letter say?
The second one is same thing, case number, date, receiving date, everything, but only like they're saying, the difference is that they're saying it's like a receipt.
Did you pay the filing fee? Do you have proof?
Yes.
You have proof that you paid it? What proof do you have that you paid the filing fee?
They send that they received, they're saying like one payment received for the N400.
So what's the problem?
No, I just want to say what's different between the both letters. Why they send two letters?
Because that's what they did. Why do they send 10 letters? They sent you one receipt that says they got your application. It took them a while to cash your check, and then they sent you another receipt.
Okay. All right. Okay. And also I can travel if I want, right?
Yeah, go travel. Enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.